Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Saavage Media. I'm Edd Saavage, and in today's video, we're diving into a recent news article from the crypto world. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future updates. Alright, so let's get right into it. So Uphold is a global crypto exchange, and they have just launched something called Vault. So this is a big deal because it's a new form of what they call assisted self-custody. And this is for digital assets. But what does this really mean? So let's break it down. First off, Vault aims to simplify securing digital assets. It's like having the convenience of a centralized financial application combined with the security of self-custody. Now, this is a big deal because it addresses a common problem in the DeFi world, the complexity and intimidating user experience, right? Now, one of the coolest features of Vault is its multi-signature wallet. Users hold 2 of the 3 keys, giving them full control over their assets. Plus, there's a key replacement service for added security. Alright guys, so looking here at Uphold's page, we can see how they introduce their new product Vault. So, take control. With 2 keys required to move assets, you alone control your crypto. You have a peace of mind, right? So if you lose a key, we've got your back with our secure replacement service. 24/7 instant trading. So never miss a market opportunity with Vault's instant access to the Uphold trading platform. And it's trustless, so they state we're not going anywhere, but if our systems were to go down, your assets remain accessible at all times. Vault has 3 keys, and 2 are always required to move assets. So you have your private keys and Uphold has 1 key. So lose either and Uphold will help you replace it and restore access to assets in your vault. Cosign transactions and assist with key replacement. So that's what their key's for, right? Now, another important point is the first digital asset supported on Vault, and that is XRP. Now, why XRP, you might ask, right? So we're going to take a look into that in a minute, but it's also worth noting that Vault plans to expand to other chains, starting with Bitcoin. So let's talk about Ripple's partnership with Uphold. So this is another exciting development because they aim to revolutionize cross-border payments, and they're going to be using XRP. So we're talking about a partnership that could handle around $5 billion in transactions annually. Now, this partnership, it focuses on converting XRP into fiat currency for seamless bank payouts. This could be a game changer for international money transfers because it could make them faster and more efficient. So here's the thing. Traditional international bank transfers can be slow, expensive, right? So we're talking about processes that can take days to complete with multiple intermediaries and high transaction fees. This is because the current system relies on outdated infrastructure like the SWIFT network, which involves banks at both ends and in between. So by using XRP as a bridge currency for the transactions, Uphold and Ripple are streamlining these entire processes, and XRP is known for its speed and low transaction costs. So it's capable of settling payments in just seconds, and when you convert XRP to fiat instantly, you're essentially bypassing the traditional banking delays and fees. So this is a huge step for businesses and individuals who rely on sending and receiving money internationally because it means quicker access to funds at lower costs and at much simpler processes. This could be beneficial for people in countries where access to banking services is limited, and it's making financial transactions more inclusive. So many more people would have access to this. Now, I believe that this is definitely going to be something that paves the way for broader adoption of cryptocurrencies in mainstream finance. All right, so we talked about why this partnership is important. Now let's discuss why assisted self-custody is also important, right? How does it compare to something like a Ledger Nano device, which many of you might be familiar with? So assisted self-custody, like what Uphold is offering here, it's pretty much a big deal, especially for those who aren't super tech savvy, right? It's all about striking the right balance between security and convenience. So with traditional self-custody, like when you're using a Ledger Nano device, you're entirely responsible for your own private keys. So if you lose them, you're pretty much out of luck at that point, and there's no way to access your funds, right? Now, hardware wallets, they're good for security. They keep your keys offline and away from potential online threats, but they do require a good level of technical understanding. You basically need to be comfortable with setting up and securing and managing your wallet. And not everyone is into that level of detail or risk management. And that's basically where assisted self custody comes in, because it's a more user friendly approach and you get the security of managing your own keys, but it comes with a safety net. Like with the vault, if you lose a key, there's a replacement process. You're not just left out in the cold if something goes wrong, right? So it's a bit like having a safety deposit box where the bank holds a master key, but you still control access to your assets. So in essence, assisted self-custody is a middle ground, right? It's great for those who want the security of a hardware wallet, but are intimidated by the technicalities or the fear of losing access. And it simplifies the crypto experience while retaining the core principle of self-sovereignty of your digital assets. And that's why I think that this partnership by Uphold and Ripple is pretty exciting, right? It's basically making the crypto world more accessible without compromising on security. So what are your thoughts on this, guys? Are you guys a fan of the traditional hardware wallet approach, or does assisted self-custody sound like the future to you guys? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Now, as always, thank you guys for tuning into my channel. If you found this video informative, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more insights into the crypto world. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.